Are you a Canadian who's looking forward to buy some stocks in Canada but don't know how to move forward, don't know how to buy stocks? Then don't worry, this is going to be a basic level video for you and you will be knowing everything regarding how to buy stocks, what are the ways to buy stocks. But before moving forward, let me tell you one thing, that this is the very first video of our YouTube channel. In this YouTube channel, we'll be discussing everything regarding money because it's important to earn, at the same time it's important to learn. Lots of people ignore the process of learning, but we should not. There are three methods by which we can buy stocks in Canada. First one is buying stock yourself by self-directed brokerage system. This is the best thing I think from my side, because in this process you will going to learn lots of things. This is obvious that you will going to create some mistakes as well, but don't worry. As a beginner, you will be learning from your mistakes. So this is going to be the very first one. If you look at the second one, the purchase stocks by robo advisors, this is going to be something very interesting kind of, AI kind of thing, where you are not going to do anything with your stock. Even computer things will be going to help you in this, and you'll be investing your money into the stock market. If you look at the third one will be like finding someone like advisor who can help you to just invest in stock. These are the three ways in which you can spend your money in stock market in Canada. We'll be making 3 dedicated videos on these 3 process so that you can understand them very vastly. For now, this was it in this video. If you like the video, do press the like button, and if you feel like subscribing, you can also subscribe to our channel. If you have any problem, you can put a comment right below.